on Stamp Anything. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all about our stamp club. So each month, Anne creates a themed suite of products, and Stamp Club is a way for you to get all or part of that collection at a discount with free shipping and some other goodies and discounts as well. So before I get into the specifics, I'm going to share with you a few customer testimonials. Then I'll share with you each level, walk you through how to access the website, and we'll be good to go. So without further ado, let's hear it from some wonderful fannies.
Hi, my name is Trisha and I have been a fanny since April of 2020. I joined almost immediately with the Deluxe Stamp Club membership because I quickly realized that I needed everything and I had to have it now, and it's the best way to get Happy Mail in your mailbox every month. And I don't know, there hasn't been a release that I haven't liked. I love it.
I'm Timothy and I'm in the Deluxe Stamp Club. I love that I get all the items from the release in the mail. I don't have to worry about ordering anything separate. It all comes to me at the beginning of each month. I love that I get discounts on everything else in the shop as well as the free digis. Love all the products, the stamps, the coordinating dies. So it's basically a no-brainer.
Hi everybody, I'm Becca. I'm a deluxe member of Stamp Club with StampAnniething, and I just wanted to tell you why. I love that for one price every month I get all of the stamps and the outline dies, the builder die, the stencil, the word die, and a little bit of goodies. Every time I get a birthday stamp every year, I get a discount on the website all year long, and all the digital items are free with my membership. I absolutely love it because I can find a chibi for absolutely every occasion. My son and I color them together, and it creates a really fun time that we spend together and having friends that enjoy the same thing. I really hope that you decide to look at it and become a Stamp Club member. We're a great group of people. Have fun.
Hi, I'm Ebony and I am a Stamp Club member, Deluxe, because I have a problem and I have to have it all. And StampAnniething makes it great because the price point is perfect for me and I get everything in the release, which I use pretty much all of it all of the time. But it's wonderful. I love the club. I love Stamp Club so much. I love StampAnniething so much. The Deluxe gives me all of my gotta have it all feels. So I have everything that I need to create all the pretty things, and I just love it. So thank you for everything, Anne, and everybody involved with StampAnniething, because the pretty is real and I love you guys.
Different levels. The first is basic, and basic gets you all three of the stamps. Again, with free shipping, then you get a 15% off store-wide discount and then free digital class images. And again, that's basic and that's the first level. You can find prices on the website. I'm not going to share them here because it's different for international, of course. Next, we have standard, and standard is where you get the 3 chibi images along with their outline dies. You get a 15% store-wide discount, you get 20% off our themed bundles, and then you get a free digital class image, or you get the free digital class images. So this one gives you the opportunity to get, to get a discount on our bundles. Like the last bundle we did, I believe, was the Christmas story one back at Christmas time. We did a Haunted Mansion one around October. So it gives you an opportunity to get those bigger bundles at a discount. And again, you get the 3 stamps along with their outline dies. But if you're someone who wants to have it all, you want everything every month, the best value for your money is Deluxe. And that's where you get everything. For Deluxe, you get the stencil, you get the word die, you get the builder die, you get the chibi stamps, and you get the outline dies. And you get 20% off store-wide, 20% off. You get your free digital class images, but you also get a free image on your birthday. So in US, that is a $50, it retails for $50, and it's at least a $70 value. So that's really the one that you want to go for, especially if you're someone who wants it all. And who doesn't want it all. So deluxe is really the best bang for your buck, but we do have a level that will fit any budget. Again, open internationally. I'm going to walk you through on the computer how to sign up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below, or you can reach out to customer service following the links in the description box. I will have a direct link to the US Canada sign up and a direct link to international. You will also find a link to all of our other social media. If you haven't already, I encourage you to join the Facebook group. So much inspiration, so much instruction, lives, you can interact with other fannies, the design team, etc. And again, you can find all the links in the description box down below. So again, let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to walk you through how to sign up on the computer, and that's going to be it for me. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to follow all the other social media and get signed up for Stamp Club. It's simple, quick, and a great value for your buck. The best bang for your buck, honey. Or pound? Euro? All right, let's go to the computer. So as I mentioned, I have 2 links for you in the description box down below. One is for our US and Canada customers, one is for international, or you can go directly to this website, click on our clubs, and then Stamp Club. So you can see here, this is the link for those of you who are international, and here is where you choose which level you want, basic, standard, or deluxe. And this is what it looks like for international. And then it'll bring up an agreement, and you will read through the terms and conditions, and then you will have the opportunity to choose your month. So again, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments or reach out to customer service. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we hope you enjoy Stamp Club. I will see you in another video real soon. Bye for now.